ICP people? Today we'll take a quick checkup of the pathways from the last video or internet computer, also known as the Pathfinder series. So definitely check that out if you haven't. Today will be short, sweet, straight to the point. Let's hop straight into it. ICP is currently at $8.47 and it's following my pathways beautifully from the last video in July, almost a month ago, guys. This was a month ago and it hit my targets amazingly to the upside. I'm not randomly just drawing these pathways. There's a lot of thought, research, and confluence and techniques that I put behind the scenes into these pathways. So definitely pay attention. If you haven't seen that last video and you're curious about these pathways, definitely check that out. Possibly in the next update after this one, I might have to make brand new pathways for the future, but it's pretty much following the same structure where I've been anticipating this relief rally to happen going into end of year and up to 2023. Currently on the short to midterm, there's a few ways that this is going to go. So we're either going to keep curling up and go sideways, and then we'll take off going into end of August to September, something like this. It is possible too that we can just carry on from here as well. Yeah, something like this to end of August, kind of retrace and then go upwards, something like that. It looks kind of funny, but you get the point. Today is a quick pathway checkup. Another way too is that we can also do something where we retest these highs that we got end of July around 929 to this wick of 976, and then by the time we get to end of August we could definitely pull back, retrace, and it could be deeper than expected as well, and then starting that rally going into end of year. Once the pathways have become too invalidated or there's too much deviation, I'll absolutely make a brand new Pathfinder video series with fresh pathways for the future to hopefully help you guys. Definitely stay tuned. I think that will be for your benefit. Let us take a look at today's technical indicators, starting with the RSI to help us see where momentum is going for the short to midterm. Kind of interesting, we did become oversold on the RSI. We hit this oversold region at the 70 marker right here at the end of July, which we did kind of get a swing high local top right there, and then we kind of pulled back. And we're currently trying to retest these highs back at the end of July at around $9.80. Let's see what happens. We do have some space to run to the upside and retest these highs on the RSI to the oversold region. Doesn't mean it has to do it, but it's absolutely possible that we can get close to it, then retrace, or we just blow past it, once again become oversold, and price could be at these targets that I put before. And I do have new targets here, $10.28 and $11.47. Keep those targets in mind if you are planning on taking profits or taking a trade. The next technical indicator is the Stoch RSI. It's a little bit confused right now. The yellow line has crossed above it and then once again has crossed below, meaning there is some undecisiveness right now. So it's going to be tough to rely on the Stoch RSI to give us strong confluence of where price action is going. I do believe that we have some room to at least retest these highs before retracing or getting close to that. And for the last technical indicator of the day is the volume indicator here. And you can see here we had nice volume at the end of July, which lines up with that swing high that we got there. Nice green candle. Today we are at 331,000 in volume, around there, and buyers are in the lead. We do have some space left over to run to retest this moving average, this volume moving average, which can be a possible sign that the run is not done. Doesn't mean it has to do that. We're just finding different signs to help us increase our odds to see where momentum is going. And if it does blow past it, then it could do something like this back in July, where it goes way past the volume moving average, which is around 752,000. So tell me below where you think ICP Internet Computer is going. Let us know below in the comments if there's any exciting news or updates for the project, or just anything. Just go ahead and share below. ICP has such an amazing community and I'm glad to be a part of you guys, and you guys can be a part of the Crypto Celestials. Also let me know what you think about this pathway checkup series where it's very short, sweet, straight to the point with the technical indicators. So, alright guys, hang in there. May the gains be with you. See you in the upside in the next forecast update. Thank you so much and peace.